Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our financial literacy course. So far, we've talked about creating a budget and tracking expenses. Today, we'll focus on the tools that make budgeting easier, apps and spreadsheets. Budgeting tools help you stay organized and consistent. Instead of trying to remember every expense, you can record and track them in one place. Tools also create visuals like charts and graphs, making it easier to understand where your money is going. Here is an example of a chart from a budgeting app. Budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, or even your bank's mobile app can automatically track your spending. Many connect directly to your accounts and categorize expenses for you. This saves time, reduces mistakes, and sends alerts when you're close to overspending. Spreadsheets are another powerful option, especially if you want more control. Using Excel or Google Sheets, you can set up categories for income, fixed costs, variable costs, and savings. Formulas can calculate totals automatically, and you can adjust the design to fit your unique needs. For example, a student might use Google Sheets to plan their monthly budget, listing income at the top, expenses below, and a final row showing what's left over. Another student might use Mint to track daily spending and get weekly reports. Both methods work. The best tool is the one you'll actually use consistently. Here is an example of a spreadsheet budget. Here is another example of a budgeting app style chart. So, whether you prefer the automation of apps or the customization of spreadsheets, both can help you budget more effectively. These tools provide structure, visibility, and confidence with money. This concludes our second course in financial literacy. In the next course, we will learn about banking basics. See you then.